Hi there, Kelly Cornell with kellycornellwellness.com here. Are you intrigued by the notion that you can reach optimum health and lose weight without dieting, depriving yourself, or counting calories? What if you could release excess weight from your body in a way that's all natural, will help boost your energy, will make you look and feel years younger than you are, and it's sustainable? Does that sound almost too good to be true? Well, keep watching because I'm going to tell you how it works. You see, there was a time that I was about 25 to 30 pounds overweight. My health was suffering, and this went on for many years. I tried lots of diets that never really helped me for more than a few weeks or so. I didn't get why my body was holding on to that extra weight, no matter how much I exercised or what I was eating. And I was tired of feeling sluggish, depressed, confused about what to eat, and completely hooked on sugar and carbs. The good news is, after years of battling with my health and weight problems, I turned things around. I discovered that taking a holistic approach to healing my body was the answer I had been looking for to get the weight off and heal my health issues. Taking a holistic approach simply means addressing all the areas of your life: stress, physical activity, the foods you're eating or not eating, how well you sleep at night, your relationships, your emotions, your job, and more. You see, most of us have been led to believe that losing weight is merely about eating less and exercising more. Well, I'm here to tell you that that couldn't be further from the truth. How do I know? Well, has that worked for you in the past? If so, were you able to maintain the weight loss? I'm guessing not, because you probably wouldn't be here right now, and neither would I. After years of using that failed strategy of eating less and exercising more, I'm happy to share with you that I found the key to long-term weight loss success and reaching peak health. And I'm going to share with you in my 6 weeks to Optimum Health home study program how you can get the same results I did and my private clients do as well. So if you're ready to embark on a new way of approaching your health and weight loss goals, you're in the right place. Sign up today to begin receiving your 6-week program. As soon as you enroll, you'll be able to begin the journey of your lifetime. I can't wait to see you there.